YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial. So first I'll be using the LA Girl Brow Pomade. Now I would give this product like a 8 or 8.5 because I was expecting the texture to be like a creamy smooth texture, but it's like a hard smooth texture. But it still got the job done pretty well. So yeah. And as you can see, I'm outlining my eyebrows. You guys, my apologies for not positioning the camera in a good angle so that you can see the eyebrow, but you'll be able to see the next one very clearly. Now that I'm done outlining my eyebrows, now I'm just gonna fill it in with the pomade. So now it's on to the next eyebrow. I'm just doing the same thing that I did with the first one, outlining it and filling it in. Next, I'll be concealing my eyebrows with my Fenty concealer, shade 420. Once that's done, I'll just go with my Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow, and I'll just apply the mascara onto my eyebrows, only at the end to make it a little darker. Then I'll be using my Diamond Beauty Blender to blend out my concealer. And you want to make sure that you blend it out evenly. Y'all, I am actually amazed with my eyebrows. Like, they both look like twins. So yeah, now I'm just touching it up, making sure that everything's in place. I would just like to thank you guys for making it to the end of this video. If you guys like my eyebrows, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Peace out, baby.